Let me show you my number one warm-up exercise for total beginners to intermediate players, and then also introduce a concept called slow, slow, quick, which is a fantastic concept whenever you're learning or practicing anything on guitar. The first exercise is for total beginners, and I'm just going to get you to put your index finger at the 5th fret on string 6, right up against the fret, so at your side of the fret, and we're just going to place each finger down one at a time on adjacent frets, going from the middle to ring finger to the pinky. And then we'll do that down each string, but this becomes important when we look at how we practice this, and how I want you to play it is slow, slow, quick. So when we slow anything down to learn it or play a technique really well, use the concept slow, slow, quick. Slow, slow, quick. Slow, slow, quick. So rather than playing this or any other exercise slowly and kind of doing it like this, one finger at a time, and thinking we're practicing something really well, we actually want to make sure we do any changes as fast as you possibly can, even when you're playing it really slowly. So that one more time, and I'll move down a string here because we'll do this on every string. First finger's here, slow, slow, middle finger goes down, quick, slow, slow, quick. And I'm moving my other fingers out of the way so you can see, slow, slow, quick. But we really want each finger to be as close to where it's going to end up as possible, as close to this as possible. So first finger down, slow, slow, quick, slow, slow, quick, slow, slow, quick. And if you go from string 6 to string 1, that is a perfect warm-up exercise for beginners. To make that an intermediate exercise, here we're going to start at the 3rd fret and 5th fret, so a little bit wider stretch. Place the index finger and the ring finger down together at the same time, and then we're going to move to the middle finger and pinky down at the same time. And if I just demo this going between those two on string 6 only, use the concept slow, slow, quick. Slow, slow, quick. Slow, slow, quick. And when you've got the hang of it, go down a string. So the next fingers are going down together on string 5. Slow, slow, quick. 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 That is my number one warm-up exercise for your chord hand for beginners and intermediate players. Let me know how you get on with that in the comments below. And find more of my technique videos not available on YouTube at the top of the description, available exclusively at andyguitar.co.uk.